last video we looked at dice mechanics in Horizon Wars Zero Dark, and this time we're going to look at that in practice in an example of shooting, and I'll introduce you to a game in progress. There we go. So this is my table and some miniatures, and there's a mission underway. So I'm just going to disappear for a minute and talk you through what you're looking at. So you've got an objective over here, which is being defended by a number of bogeys. We've got a boss, we've got an elite here, got an elite here, there's a couple around the corner, a couple of grunts, one up here is already down, and those are the defenders. Meanwhile, we've got my team, we've got the leader here supported by a doctor. Over here is a spook who looks all ready to go and grab the objective, and up here is our sniper. Now their mission is to get in, get the objective and take it off the board. However, we're not interested in that right now. What we're interested in is shooting. So for the sake of argument, my sniper here is going to take a shot at an elite, and he's going to shoot the elite here. So the first thing we do is measure the range, and the range here is 12 inches. To that we're going to add the visibility level of the mission, which is 3. However, in this particular case, our sniper has a heat light visor. That means he can ignore the visibility level when shooting at a non-synthetic target, which he's doing. So he's still looking for 12. Then he has the defense of the target, which is 2. So his target is 14. That works. So he's got a fight of 5. So I'm rolling 5 dice with a target of 14. So done not too bad. The 12 is good, but it isn't a hit on its own. The 1 isn't enough to make it a hit, so the 3 will make it a hit. The 5 and the 7 and the 1 only make 13, not good enough. Now, I'm actually playing this game with a leader, as I mentioned. My leader has some re-rolls, so I am going to remove that 1, put those to one side, and I'm going to use one of my leader's re-rolls. 7, marvellous. So we've now got a 7 and a 7 for 14, 12 and a 3 is 15, so that's a pass, and we've got the 12 as well, so that's an extra pass. So that's 1, 2, 3 passes, and the 5 does nothing. Shooting at this elite then, 1 hit on the elite does nothing, 2 hits would put them down, 3 hits would make him dead. So he's out. So that was a very simple illustration of how shooting works. You work out your target number, you roll your dice, you tot up the number of successes, and that comes out as the number of hits. Simple. Thanks for watching. Next time we're going to wind back and we're going to look instead at designing your team and your various options and how you go about assembling your team in the first place. Right, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.